Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Aishwarya here. In this video, I'm going to share how to apply matte liquid lipstick like a pro. Yes, you heard right, like a pro, because in this video, I'm going to share very easy steps, tips and tricks which is going to help you a lot. So please make sure that you watch this whole video till the end. So the first step is to moisturize the lips. To moisturize my lips, I am using bio oil over here. You can use any lip balm or oil of your choice. Bio oil works the best for me, so have opted for it. I am going to apply a nice even layer of the oil onto my lips. Now I have taken a soft bristle brush. I am going to run it all over my lips very lightly. This step is because this will get rid of any dry lips that we have, and this will make the lips very softer than before, so that it will be a little easier for us to apply matte liquid lipstick very easily. And by doing this, it will also help the lipstick to last longer. It will help the matte lipstick to not to turn flaky, because most of the time when we apply a matte liquid lipstick, the lipstick tends to turn flaky. So this is not going to turn flaky at all. It will keep our lips moisturized and nice. You just have to brush your lips for 40 to 50 seconds. Please make sure that you do not overdo it. Can you see the dead layer on my lips, like it's completely visible? I am going to wipe it with a tissue paper. Now I am again going to moisturize my lips, because we want our lips to be super moisturized and hydrated for the next step. In this step, we have to apply the foundation on our lips. I am applying the same foundation that I have done my face makeup with. This will make the lipstick to pop out more. In this step, I am going to line my lips. To line my lips, I am using the same liquid lipstick stick which I am going to apply the lipstick with. If you want, you can use lip liner instead if you don't want to follow this step, but I'm pretty sure if you're a beginner, you might not own a lip liner, so I thought to include this step in this video. And to line your lips with the same liquid lipstick that you're using, make sure that you use the pointy end of the liquid lipstick that you have. This will make the application really easier. And while you're lining your lips, please make sure that you do it very slowly. You do not have to rush it. If you do it slowly, your lipstick is going to turn really good and it will look really good on you. So yes, you have to line it. You have to take your time and line it. So now for the final step, you have to fill in the liquid lipstick on your lips. I like to fill the lipstick from the corners of my lips. I don't know, I like it this way. I like it convenient this way. I mean, like, it makes really easier for me rather than filling it or starting it from the center of my lips. You can do it anyhow that you like. And again, please make sure that you do not rush while doing this. And even if you make a mistake while applying the liquid lipstick, do not worry. I am going to share a small little hack with you further in this video. I'm done with applying one layer of the lipstick onto my lips. If you want your lipstick to pop out more, you can go with the second layer, which I am going to further go in this video. So yes, but I am going to wait for this until it dries a little, then so that I can move on with the second layer of it. Now I am going in with the second layer of the lipstick. Okay, so the hack that I was saying you about is, let's say I didn't like the way the lipstick turned out from the right. What I am going to do here is, now I am going to apply a concealer of this exact skin shade that I have. This is going to cover the lipstick which went wrong. And if you do not have a concealer, please do not worry. You can go in with the foundation that you have. I am making the lipstick even again. Well, we are officially done throwing the matte liquid lipstick, but I have got more two tricks for you which will make your lips look more beautiful. I'll show you in a while. Wait for it. If you have an highlighter or a shimmer, make sure to apply that onto your cupid's bow and a little bronzer underneath your lips. This will make your lips to look more fuller than what it is. Yeah, my lips are already fuller, but I like my lips to look more fuller than what it is. More is always less, right? Well, if you follow the steps, tips and tricks, please let me know your views in the comment section below. And if you liked my video, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet. It would really mean a lot to me. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.